In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your profile picture from GitHub. Whether you're looking to change things up a bit or just want to go back to the classic GitHub look, I've got you covered. We're going to go through the entire process step by step to make it as easy as possible for you. Now let's jump right in. First things first, you need to log into your GitHub account. Head over to the GitHub homepage and enter your credentials to securely log in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your personalized dashboard where all your repositories and activities are displayed. Next, you'll need to navigate to your profile settings. There are a couple of ways to get there, and I'm going to show you both for convenience. The quickest way is to go directly to the GitHub profile settings page if you have the link bookmarked, but if you're browsing around the site, here's how to do it manually. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can make various changes to your GitHub account. Once you're on the settings page, look to the left-hand side and click on Public Profile. This is where all your personal information and picture settings can be found. Now that you're in the profile settings, it's time to remove that profile picture. You'll see your current avatar right there on the screen, front and center. Go ahead and click on the image. Once you've clicked it, you'll be given a couple of options. You're looking for either Remove Photo or Delete Avatar. Don't worry if these options are worded a little differently. GitHub may update their language from time to time, but the intention remains the same. Choose the option that suits your needs. By selecting one of these, you effectively delete the current profile picture from your account. After you've done this, GitHub will automatically revert to a default avatar, known as an identicon. This is a unique auto-generated image that GitHub provides for users without personalized profile pictures. It's a neat, colorful visualization based on a hash of your username, giving you a distinct visual identity while keeping things simple. And that's it. You've successfully removed your profile picture on GitHub. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or if there's anything else GitHub related that you'd like to learn, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.